MrBeast gave away a private island, then a chocolate factory, then $2.5 million to a stranger who held their hand on a car. He gives away more in one video than most people earn in a lifetime, and somehow he's worth $700 million. That's not generosity, that's a business model. Welcome to Behind the Billions. Today, the real economics of MrBeast. Jimmy Donaldson started on YouTube at age 13. For years, nobody watched. Then he cracked the code. YouTube doesn't reward good videos. It rewards videos people watch all the way through. So he engineered everything for retention. The hook in 3 seconds, escalating stakes every 60 seconds, the massive prize at the end. Every video is a machine built to keep you watching. Retention is what the algorithm sells to advertisers. Here's where the money comes from. A MrBeast video averages 100 million views. YouTube pays roughly $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. At the high end, that's about $500,000 in ad revenue. But his videos cost more. The Island video cost over $1 million. The Squid Game Recreation cost $3.5 million. He was losing money on every upload, so he built a second revenue stream. Sponsorships. Brands pay between $1 and $3 million for a 60-second integration. That single minute covers his production costs. The ad revenue becomes profit, but he didn't stop. He launched Feastables, a chocolate brand. First-year revenue exceeded $10 million. He didn't spend on marketing because his videos were the marketing. Every chocolate bar on camera was an ad seen by 100 million people. He owns the product and the distribution. That's not a creator business, that's vertical integration. Then came MrBeast Burger. Ghost kitchens inside existing restaurants, over 1,000 locations. Estimated first-year revenue crossed $100 million. Then the biggest deal. Amazon reportedly paid $100 million for Beast Games, a reality competition series. That's not YouTube money, that's Hollywood. Here's the engine. Every video loses money on paper, but every video markets his products to 100 million people for free. The products make the profit. The videos are the funnel. Content generates attention. Attention sells products. Product revenue funds bigger content. Bigger content generates more attention. The flywheel spins faster every year. He employs over 250 people. He claims he reinvests nearly everything. But that reinvestment keeps the wheel turning. The more he spends, the bigger the videos. The bigger the videos, the more valuable the brand. More sponsorship money, more chocolate bars, more burgers. He's not burning cash, he's buying scale. The numbers. Feastables is valued at over $200 million. His main channel has over 300 million subscribers. Beast Philanthropy has given away over $100 million, funded entirely by its own ad revenue and sponsorships. Here's what most people miss. MrBeast isn't a YouTuber who happens to be good at business. He's a businessman who uses YouTube as his engine. Attention is the raw material. Everything else converts it into money. He doesn't sell views, he sells chocolate bars, burgers, and television shows, using views as the most cost-effective marketing channel ever invented. So the next time you watch him bury himself alive or give away $10 million, remember this: you're not watching a generous guy. You're watching a $700 million business spend a fraction of its marketing budget to make you feel something. And the moment you feel it, the chocolate bar in your hand isn't a snack. It's a share of the flywheel. That's Behind the Billions. Subscribe for more.